Yeah. It wasn't me.
It was the car.
Looped it.
It oversteered its tyres off.
Who's that? Get in there. They're just rapid.
They are. Do you know what the last Hyundai you drove me in was?
Oh, 10 for life.
You can probably guess. No, it was not 10, it was the I-20 WRC.
Was it?
Yeah, coughs, so.
Oh.
This is basically the same. Coughs Forest.
Same. Too many cars out here. Because I like coming in here and I can get it rotated on the brakes.
Yeah.
I want to
Just need to get some clear track.
Gonna come up your inside, buddy. I reckon.
37, just adjusted
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, what did they crash?
Got it all going on.
What are you guys doing? Just taking the whole track? Hello?
Taking both lines.
Oh yeah, it's like no cap.
You shall not pass.
Can I go up the middle?
Sure.
That's how.
You can go your own way. Accidental window opening. It's got a
Got too much grip on that rear. That new tyre you put on the rear.
Yeah, you can feel it. Lots of grip going.
Yeah, lots of grip there, and the other three are like, no. We'll sort that out. We'll fuck it up soon.
Oh, you saw the curve.
Yeah, you betcha. Nice. See that? This just won't turn because you got that new tyre.
I thought you were going then.
No.
You didn't.
Normally I can get that to rotate. Now we'll get there. Just got to get a bit of work into that other one.
There we go. Yeah! This is sick. Oh, I love sitting with people that can actually do it. He's hitting the gravel. Must have the gravel.
So it should rotate more than that.
Yeah. Yeah, the fronts are done. I don't know what pressure they're at, but they're probably like 50 or something.
Yeah, I probably will hit him. Hey, buddy. Just gonna sneak up here. I don't reckon we need more. We need more rear.
Need more rear. The answer to everything.
What are you doing over here, buddy? Hi.
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh,
Now we're getting there.
there we go. Hopeful. There we go. Still.
It's way better this morning because you could rotate it in.
Yeah.
Where are you going? Choices.
You need some fresh
I think
boots
the
on
front tyres is completely fucked. They just can't rotate it.
Yeah.
I was following the boys in the I-30 and they're just watching me like in the mirrors. Like.
Yeah. The battery holds on pretty well. I can get a few,
It's
get a few laps.
better than the Porsche that I remember, like the Taycan. Which way is everyone going?
Get them all.
It's not red flag. Oh, there's red flag. City, yeah.
That was excellent.
Yeah, it wasn't very good. Like, because I couldn't rotate it in with the front tyre, so because normally you want it to rotate before, and then you're picking up the apex like a rally car. Like,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just gas it out.
Yeah.
I was still impressed.
Yeah. It was 50%.
5 out of
We
10.
can do better. We can do way better. Because normally I'd want to be sideways there, but I need the front tyres to give me the rotation. And any time I loaded the front, it just washed out.
Yeah.
But that's tyres, not. Yeah, but it's a good thing. It's not too scary or anything. It just.
Nah.